In this video I want to show you how you can bring in your own pictures to SymWriter 2, either through the graphics browser panel, through Windows Explorer, or directly from the internet. On the right hand side of your document window are the symbol and graphics browsers, and you can change between them using these tabs at the top. It is possible that your machine is set up to view the double panel, and you can change this yourself from the View menu, which will give you smaller panels for both symbols and graphics open at the same time, and this is very convenient if you're doing a lot of work with graphics and symbols. For this video I'm going to return to the single panels. When you click on the graphics panel, it will automatically open into the Widget Pictures area, and this is a collection of pictures and photographs that come with SymWriter 2. But you most probably want to access your own images. There are two areas that you can link to directly from the graphics browser. There's your My Pictures folder, which is where you may have stored your own pictures from your camera or whatever. And you can also link to a shared pictures area, which could be on this machine or on a network, and you can configure where that is linked to. So if I want to add an orchid instead of the symbol of flowers, I can click on that and then drop it when I see the grey square over the word flowers, which you will have seen in an earlier video. The pictures that you want to access may of course not be in your My Pictures folder, and you can access symbols from anywhere else, either by using the navigation icon to browse, or probably more conveniently using Windows Explorer. And in this case I have some pictures on my USB stick, so I can open that window, find the image that I want, and I can just drag that straight in and drop it where one of the grey squares appears, in exactly the same way as I had dragged it from the graphics browser. If I prefer not to drag, I can also use Ctrl+C to copy it to the clipboard and then Ctrl+V to paste it. And another very good source of images of course is on the internet, and you can do exactly the same thing from a web browser window. So here I have a picture from Google Images, and I can either drag this picture and drop it onto my document, or I could copy it and paste it. And here I've brought in my picture to add to the document. One thing to be aware of is that when you're bringing a picture in, it does need to go to one of those areas where the cursor is or where a grey square appears. So if I'm bringing something in from the internet and I just try and drop it somewhere on the picture, you can see that I get a no picture icon. I need to drag it up to where there's a grey square, and that shows there is a place available for this picture to go to. So I can access photographs or other images through the graphics browser, from the My Pictures folder, or from another shared pictures area. I can locate the images I want using Windows Explorer to find somewhere on my network, on this hard drive, or on a USB stick, or I can go to the internet and drag in a picture from there.